Why do we get goosebumps in certain situations? Why do wrinkles form on our hands and feet after being in water for a while? Why do white spots appear on our fingernails? Why don't babies shed tears when they cry? And why are males more likely to be colorblind compared to females? The answers to all these questions are as shocking as this video, so stay tuned until the end. Fact 21. Friends, you might have noticed white spots on some people's fingernails and wondered why only certain people have them. In reality, these white spots on nails are caused by a deficiency of iron, calcium, or other minerals in the body. The connection between our body and mind is so strong that whenever there's an issue in our body, be it a disease or nutrient deficiency, the symptoms show up quickly, allowing us to address them promptly. Fact 20. According to a study published in the American Journal of Public Health in 1989, left-handed people, who primarily use their left hand for tasks, live approximately 9 months less than right-handed people. This happens because most things in the world are designed for right-handed individuals, which creates more challenges for left-handed people. Additionally, left-handed individuals have a higher chance of accidents, which could even lead to death. Fact 19. You probably know that our brain controls our entire body. But did you know that during surgery, the brain can be split in half and separated without causing any harm? Moreover, our brain continues to grow until the age of 40. Fact 18. According to the International Hyperhidrosis Society, the human body has about 5,500,000 sweat glands, but they don't make us feel full. Most of these glands are located on the soles of our feet, hands, and forehead. There are approximately 125,000 sweat glands in just 1 foot. Interestingly, most sweat glands in females' feet are inactive, which is why female feet tend to smell less compared to male feet. Fact 17. You might think that without a tongue, it's impossible to taste anything. If you believe that different parts of the tongue are designed to sense specific tastes, you're mistaken. Recent research shows that every part of the tongue can sense all types of tastes: sweet, sour, spicy, and more. Fun fact: the average male tongue is 3.3 inches long, while the female tongue is 3.1 inches. Fact 16. Our lips are the most sensitive part of the body. Behind the lips, there's a muscle called the masseter that helps us chew food. This muscle is so strong that it can help lift up to 90 kilograms of weight. Fact 15. Have you ever wondered why cancer patients shave their heads? Well, they don't do it voluntarily. Chemotherapy, used to treat cancer, has side effects that cause hair loss. On average, a healthy person's hair grows about 0.03 centimeters per day, and all the hair follicles in the human body, from which hair grows, are formed while still in the womb. Fact 14. Did you know that our brain makes up only 2% of our body weight, but consumes 30% of the oxygen we breathe? Since the brain controls the entire body, it requires a lot of energy, which is why it uses so much oxygen. Fact 13. Whether human or animal, eating food is essential for survival. But have you ever wondered how much food we eat in a lifetime? Scientists have researched this and found that an average healthy person consumes about 30,000 kilograms of food by the age of 70. Fact 12. Did you know that for a person to die from mosquito bites, they would need to be bitten by 2 million mosquitoes? Of course, no one would do that. A single mosquito can absorb about 0.01 milliliters of blood from your body, so it would take 2 million bites to cause death from blood loss. Fact 11. The human brain is made up of 73% water, and water is incredibly important for the body. When your body's water level drops by just 1% of your body weight, you start feeling thirsty. For example, if you weigh 50 kilograms and your body has less than 5 liters of water, you'll feel extremely thirsty. If this deficiency reaches 10%, it could even lead to death. Fact 10. Your fingerprints are one of the most unique features of your body. No one else in the world has the same pattern. Even if you have a twin, their fingerprints will be different. But did you know that your tongue is just as unique? If you were to take a tongue print, it would be one of a kind. Imagine a day when we unlock our phones with our tongues. Fact 9. If we were to take our lungs out of the body and place them in water, they would float. This is because No matter how much we breathe in or out, our lungs always retain about 1 liter of oxygen, known as residual lung volume, which allows them to float. Fact 8. If you're in deep sleep and someone places a foul-smelling or pleasant-smelling object near you, would you wake up? A study conducted at Brown University tried waking sleeping people by shaking them, making loud noises, or shining light in their eyes, and they all woke up. But when they were made to smell something, none of them woke up. Fact 7. When 2 people kiss for 10 seconds, over 80 million bacteria are transferred between their mouths. But here's the interesting part. There's no need to panic. These bacteria are actually good bacteria that benefit our bodies rather than harm them. Fact 6. When a baby is born, their body contains about 1 cup of blood. Babies don't shed tears when they cry because their tear ducts are still developing. Also, did you know that a person's nose and ears continue to grow from childhood until death? This is why our faces change as we age. Fact 5. You may have noticed that when you stay in water for a long time, your fingers and toes develop strange wrinkles. But have you ever wondered if these wrinkles serve a purpose? Scientists at a UK university found that these wrinkles are actually very useful. When our hands and feet are wet, these wrinkles help us grip objects better. Without them, we wouldn't be able to hold on to things properly. Fact 4. A person walks about 170,000 kilometers in their lifetime, enough to circle the Earth 4 times. Walking is great for your health. According to Cancer Research UK, walking just 30 minutes a day reduces body fat and keeps you fitter. Fact 3. Have you ever wondered why we get goosebumps in certain situations? Whether you're watching a scary movie, at a noisy party, or traveling at high speed, your body releases a hormone called adrenaline in stressful or exciting situations. When a large amount of adrenaline is suddenly released, it causes your hair to stand on end, resulting in goosebumps. Fact 2. Compared to males, females can see more colors, while males often struggle to distinguish between different shades of the same color. Males are also more likely to be colorblind. On average, a female blinks 18 to 20 times per minute, while a male blinks only 11 to 12 times. Fact 1. The human heart is an incredibly powerful organ that works continuously from birth to death without stopping for even a second. A female's heart beats faster than a male's. The heart pumps about 9,000 liters of blood per day and generates enough pressure to shoot blood up to 30 feet high. These were some amazing facts about the human body. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you're the first to know about our future videos.